Good evening, friends. An incident of cruel, horrific, and indecent behavior on the part of a private hospital came to light due to the publication of news in Hindu Today. It happened in Shajapur of Rajgarh district in Madhya Pradesh. What happened? We have to know first. An old man, senior citizen by name Lakshmi Narayan, aged about 80 years. He belonging to Khilchipur Tehsil of Rajgarh district of Madhya Pradesh. He was admitted in a private hospital. Of course, name they have not given. For the ailment of stomach ache. Actually, he was feeling pain in the stomach due to stomach ache. He was admitted in the hospital. Right? The hospital authorities admitted him, and initially they have taken an advance of rupees 6,000 rupees. Subsequently, his daughter paid an amount of 3,000. Of course, the treatment was not completed, and the hospital authorities they have demanded an amount of rupees 11,270 rupees, 11,002 rupees to be paid for further treatment. But of course, they are poor people; they are not able to pay the money. Therefore, the daughter requested the authorities that they are not able to spend any money. Therefore, they requested the hospital authorities to remove the catheter, and so that catheter we call, so that they can take him to the home and see what will happen. Later, they want to take further action, but since they are not able to pay the money. But the hospital authorities refused for the same. They demanded the amount to be paid, and then only the patient can be discharged. Of course, taking advantage of this corona pandemic or something, because people are less working in number. Therefore, the daughter wanted to take the father along with her. They wanted to go home. The daughter was going in front, and the father was following her. And the hospital security guard found them and took back the father and tied him with ropes to the bed of the hospital. So this incident created panic among the people. Incidentally, it was taken a photograph and a videograph also. This video went viral. You can also see this video. This is the thing. Just remember. Hospital ties man to bed for not paying bills. So this is the atrocious act occurred on an old man, that too aged about 80 years, not like a senior citizen, right? So it has come to the notice of the Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan of Madhya Pradesh also. He also tweeted a matter relating to the cruelest behavior. Please remember, cruelest behavior with an elderly citizen at hospital in Shajapur has to come to my notice. Of course, he says strict action will be taken and the accused will not be spared. Where the accused has gone to other city and he is not traced now. Right, anyway, the government has appointed a special team consisting of the sub-divisional magistrate. That means here we call them as RDO, Revenue Division, sub-divisional magistrate, the DM and HO and medical specialist, all of them went to the hospital. But by the time they went, already this old man and his daughter, they have left the place. That means the hospital people might have released them. Right, you can understand when the hospital authorities or owner is not available, means definitely they have, anyway. So the people were not available, but definitely since he is a doctor, the specialist, he has looked into the records. See how funny the records were made. So as advocates, you have to remember how the defense will be maintained. So the record sheet of the hospital says that revealed that this man, old man, was suffering from seizures or convulsions. Seizures. So the hospital says that they have to strap him to the bed owing to convulsions. But here the doctor the medical specialist says still this is not acceptable because they have to use the available bandages, of course, if required, but not to tie with ropes just like a criminal or just like an animal. Simply to say just like it. So it is very atrocious, right? So this is the thing, of course, they have given a notice to the hospital authorities and asked the authorities to respond within 48 hours. So if they don't respond or if the response is not satisfactory, further action will be taken, and the action may be, of course, the cancellation of the license to the hospital. They may go to that extent also. Anyway, this is a very bad incident because in order to secure the money, they have gone to the cruelest manner, keeping the man, tying him, and the photo itself shows that the person has both legs were tied together, and they were once again with the rope they were tied to the so-called bed. That means just like animal, they have done it is not acceptable. Of course, the former CM, Mr. Kamal Nath, he also tweeted that the inhuman behavior, and also particularly during the corona times, nobody is looking to the public, nobody is listening to the public. So the arbitrariness on the behalf of the hospital, of course, not only for this one, so many hospitals are there that are doing like this. Even for corona treatment, they are collecting exorbitant, they are billing exorbitant money. In a hospital in Bombay, they have collected 2,50,000 for corona treatment. We don't know what treatment they have given. So please remember. So, and Kamal Nath says there is nobody to listen to the public. The government should take strict action against the people. Okay, right. Anyway, the government is there, they will look into the matter. But the practicality also we have to see. Of course, tying them to the hospital bed is definitely dangerous. Of course, they should have collected the money in some other way. But how to collect the money? If they ask, it is also definitely embarrassing question to the other people. Because it happened to me on one occasion, maybe about 20 years back or so it happened, 1997. So what happened is, a person was admitted in a private hospital at Nellore in some accident case. Of course, the people around him, they asked the doctor, come on doctor, you treat him, how much amount we are ready to pay, like that. Of course, they have paid the advance amount, and after the person is likely to croak or about to die, all of them slipped one by one others, and ultimately they have to pay a bill of around 16,000 or 15,000 or so, but nobody was there. When the person died, nobody was there, right? Incidentally, it has become an accident case since it is an MLC case. It was reported to the police, and now the problem is that the hospital authorities, they are not handing over the dead body for post-mortem examination. At the time, the post-mortem examination has to be conducted in DSR Government Hospital, Nellore. Since the hospital authorities refused, of course, the owner was an MLA by that time, I believe. They refused immediately. I have to go to the spot and I have to inquire the issue. Of course, they have given the body for post-mortem examination, but the resident doctor, he says that they have spent so much of amount, they have purchased so much of machinery from other countries and established the institution, not for general purpose, not for the generous purpose, and not for the kindness. They are purely business people and they would get money. How to get money? Of course, at the initial stage, they are given 50,000 rupees or so advance, and later nobody was there, they have all disappeared. How to collect the other bill of amount? Of course, we call them and settle the issue by paying 50% of the amount. It's a different thing. But these things also do happen. We have to remember the problems of the medical. Normally, after this corporate culture has come into the medical sector or the hospitals, normally we don't have any faith in them. We comment them very badly. But the problems are there. Here the problem is, no doubt, they might have asked him to give the treatment, but the discharge discharge bill they have to give. Of course, if they are not able to pay, there are so many other methods to collect the body, but not folding him or tying him to the ropes and tying him to the bed, it is definitely inhuman, barbaric, and atrocious. Such things should be definitely condemned. So please, thank you.